Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today we are finally back with another review of a beauty product, and it's been several weeks since I reviewed anything beauty. I've been doing a lot of vlogs and like coffee reviews and stuff lately, and I really want to get into more lifestyle videos of not only reviews but also like cooking videos, little vlogs of me going out and doing things. So yeah, so I really want to get a little bit more a variety of content. However, I know you guys really love these beauty reviews, so I'm still going to be doing those, and that is what we are doing today. So if you've been on this channel before, you know I am a skincare junkie. I am obsessed with skincare. I have been for quite a few years now, like several years. Luckily, I've been into skincare since I was a teenager. My aunt was in the skincare and taught me at an early age. I started to get really serious about skincare when I was like 18 or 19. So I'm just trying to be proactive about my skin and do things now to keep it looking better in the future. So I know a lot of people really don't get into skincare until like the really late 20s or early 30s or sometimes even longer, and they kind of wait until they need help. You know, they wait until they already have wrinkles or they already have skin problems. And I think you should be proactive about your skincare and start early. Start in your early 20s and start preventing things from happening. Don't wait till they already happened. And I think today's product is an amazing way to do that and be preventive and be proactive. And that is the Beauty Roller from Sacheu. So first things first, if you don't know about beauty rollers or face rollers, there's several different materials. They can be like crystals or stones or stainless steel. They come in many different varieties. And they basically are just these handheld tools that you roll across your face to stimulate your skin. So some of the main benefits of face rolling is it stimulates your lymphatic system. And by doing that, you are getting rid of toxin. You're easing your muscle tension. You can decrease puffiness and stimulate your blood flow. So it will give you like a nice healthy glow. And it can make your skin just look a little bit more bouncy and youthful. So yeah, those are the main benefits of face rolling. Obviously, it's not something that you're gonna get immediate results from. You obviously, if you're using it for several minutes, you might automatically kind of see your face get maybe a little bit more plump or some blood flow to your cheeks, and you have like a nice healthy glow. Your skin will automatically feel really refreshed, and it's kind of just nice and relaxing to have the tool on your face. It can either be cold or you can heat it up. So with this, it is really more of a preventative, proactive skincare tool, more so than immediate. You are getting maybe 1 or 2 immediate effects from it, but most of it's going to be things that's going to help you in the long run. When people are so into like instant satisfaction nowadays that if you have a skincare product and it doesn't work immediately or within a couple of weeks, people just don't think it's beneficial, and that can be pretty harmful to your skin in the long run, especially for things that really truly are doing a lot for your skin. Those are the things that usually do take quite a bit of time. You know, some people see a tool like this and they're thinking, oh, that's a gimmick, that doesn't work, or la da da da. But this tool has been around for a very long time. This is something that has been especially used by Chinese and Korean skincare routines, and they swear by this. So before we open up the box, let's talk a little bit about the brand. So Sarah has been a YouTuber, a beauty YouTuber, for quite a while now, and she started her own brand. I don't think I've actually watched many of Sarah's videos before, so I don't know too much about her. However, now that I've received this, I do think I'm going to kind of go back and check a little bit. I watched one of her videos, just the one about this tool, and she seems like she knows what she's talking about, and she's very beautiful. She has great skin, and she did talk a little bit about this product and why it's different from others. I think this is great for Sarah. I'm really happy for her for doing this, and I think she's created a pretty cohesive brand. The packaging is nice, the product is quality, the branding on their websites and Instagrams is really nice and cohesive. Overall, I think she did a lovely job. So now let's get into the actual product. So you are getting a dual-sided beauty roller and a travel pouch with this. On the back, it gives you quite a bit of information. It says, this 100% stainless steel facial roller will increase blood circulation and stimulate collagen production, minimizing puffiness, uneven skin tone, and under eye bags. Regular use will result in bright, even skin tone. And when used after applying skincare products, this roller gently works products into the skin, allowing for maximum absorption without any tugging or pulling. And then it gives you a how to use, which is great because not a lot of people know how to use these correctly, and then it's not as effective. It says, using back and forth motions, gently roll the tool over the jaw, cheeks, forehead, and under eye area. If using any serums, moisturizers, or facial oils, apply beforehand. The roller can be hand warmed before use or put in the refrigerator for cooling and depuffing effect. Works best when used at least 2 minutes per session. We recommend 2 sessions per day. Great. So really quickly, I do want to kind of comment on the how to use aspect of this. Let's open this up really quickly, and then I'll tell you a little bit on how to use this product properly. So the packaging feels pretty nice. It's like a cardboard type of material. I think this might be like recyclable. I don't know. The packaging feels pretty nice. I do like this little window. It has a magnetic snap, and you open her up. Then you get the roller and the pouch. Now, when you first open it up, this roller is heavy. It's way heavier than I was expecting. So this is a really good quality product, quality stainless steel. I think this is around $30. So yeah, this is a good price and a really good quality. So definitely, in my opinion, worth it. Before I get into my honest review of this product, I've been using this product for close to 2 weeks now. But yeah, before I get into the honest review, I do want to quickly go over how to actually use this and what would be most beneficial. So they did say, like I said, about 2 minutes per day on the back. I do agree with that. I think 2 minutes, really like 2 to 5 minutes is great. And you don't want to like go, back and forth or down and up this way. You don't want to like do this randomly. There is a method to this to get the full effective benefits out of it, and you want to go in upward motions starting from the center of your face and going up. So you want to do that on your cheeks. You can kind of start like at your chin or near like your mouth or nose. And you don't want to roll back and forth. You want to push up pretty gently. You can do this quicker like this, or you can kind of do it more gently. But yeah, you want to push up, and you want to take the product off, up, off, up, and then obviously you can do that pretty quick. But yeah, you don't want to just like be going back and forth or down, because that's going to drag your skin down and it's not going to give you the benefits. You want to pull your skin up. Just like with all skincare, you want to kind of go in an upward motion so you're not dragging your skin down, because after years and years, that will affect your skin. You can get more wrinkles or sagginess in your skin. So yeah, that's the number one step. Always go in upward motions. Same thing for your forehead. You just want to go up. However, for these with your neck, basically everyone go down on their neck, which I thought was interesting. Even Sarah did this in her video, and I've seen many people who use these. They always go down on their neck, which I thought was interesting. because I always thought you were kind of supposed to go up with your neck on skincare as well. So I don't really know the main reason behind that. I didn't look too far into it. But yeah, just kind of going down on your neck. So that's that. If anyone knows the reason why you're supposed to go down on your neck with these, please comment down below. I would love to know. Also, another thing I want to mention with these is the use of skincare products before using this. So on the back it said, if you're using serums, moisturizers, oils, apply beforehand. However, I want to let you guys know, just for a warning, this is not something to put an entire skincare routine. You don't want 10 products on your face. You don't even want 2 or 3 products on your face before using this, because it's just not going to work as effectively. They're not going to really get all in there, and this will just be moving your product around on your face. You can do this with just one product on. You can, if you want to do a moisturizer or a serum or a toner, put that on beforehand, and then you can go in with this. So there's kind of 2 ways that I normally use this. The first way is that I will wash my face, and then I'll just go right in with this and get my face rolling. Do that for a few minutes, and then I'll go in with my skincare routine, with a toner or a moisturizer or a serum, all that stuff. Or I will wash my face, skip the toner, and then put a moisturizer on and rub that in with the moisturizer. And then after I'm done rubbing in my moisturizer with this tool, then I'll go ahead and finish my skincare with serums and whatnot. Let's get into the material of this product really quickly and why they chose stainless steel for this. Now, there's many different materials on the market. A lot of people would use some type of crystal. Jade is a very popular one. And the reason why Sacheu stayed away from that is because those types of materials are porous, which means they have really, really tiny holes in them. And that can trap in bacteria from your skin. And if you use it with products, it can also trap in those ingredients from those products and not only potentially harm your skin, but it can also harm the product, and it can break down the material if it is, for instance, like a jade. Personally, I think a stainless steel roller is better for that reason. It's non-porous, it has no holes in it, so you're not going to have bacteria trapped in there. So now for my honest review. I have been using this product every night for a little under 2 weeks now. I think it's been like 11 or 12 days. I haven't seen a crazy improvement. My skin doesn't look 50 times better. I don't have it didn't clear up all of my acne and take away my dark circles and, give me $10,000. I didn't do that. And it's not really supposed to right away, especially within 2 weeks. I do see very, very minor changes instantly, and that is, during my use, I am feeling very relaxed, very refreshed. I can feel the blood flow in my skin after using this. Sometimes I can see a little bit of red in my cheeks from the blood flow. My skin looks a little glowier, and it feels a little more plump. Okay, just a little. However, I know that these kind of products do take time, so it might be several months before I see a decent change, and that's fine with me, because I know 10 years down the future, using this daily or at least a few times a week will definitely help my skin. It's proven to boost collagen and blood flow, and all of those things are great for your skin. So it's proven to work. It just takes time. And even for the other stainless steel rollers out there, I have felt some ones in stores where I pick up and they're just not as heavy as this. So this one's definitely maybe the heaviest stainless steel one I've ever felt. So I do think the quality is there in the material choice, and feels really heavy, doesn't feel like it's gonna break apart or anything over time. It's a really sturdy material, which I love. I think it's a really good price, and if you're not getting this one, look into the stainless steel material, look into the quality, look into the brand reputation, because that's important. If you're looking for a beauty roller, $30 honestly, I would just go ahead and grab this one. So overall, I'm very happy with this product and I will continue to be using it. And I'm excited to see the results in the future. So as usual, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And comment down below, do you have a beauty roller like this? What do you prefer? Do you prefer the jade rollers or stainless steel? So yeah, I can't wait to talk to you guys about this product in the comments. And I will see you next Sunday. See ya.